Now we'll see what is computer. Computer is an electronic device which converts data into information. So we will see what is data. Now suppose it can be anything like text, numbers, anything. Suppose 250. Can we understand what is 250? But if we process it, we solve it, like we write total information like regarding what it is 250, whether it is kilogram, whatever, grams. So if we write rupees, because we want answer in rupees, so if we write rupees, 250 rupees, so that becomes information, means final output. Now what is actually computer? So this is actually computer. So computer requires, so computer system has like monitor, printer. Okay, this is printer. Then we have speaker, keyboard, mouse. So these all devices are required. So that becomes a computer system to take the input from the input device and give the result in form of output. So now final big definition we'll see in larger one. Computer is an electronic device. So it accepts the data, that is input data from the user, like 250 if we had entered, process it according to instruction given to it. Suppose we want 2 plus 3. So we had entered 2 and 3, and plus also we had entered. So it will process that. It will solve plus, that is addition of two numbers, 2 plus 3, and it will give you result, that is required result, in form of output as information. So when we get the result as 5, that is 2 plus 3, what we'll get? 5. When we get final result, that is called information. So this is typical flow chart diagram, that is data. For entering data in a computer, we require input devices. Process, we require CPU, that is for processing in computer, and that is in CPU many things can be done, like arithmetic operations, addition, subtraction, or logical operation like conditions. Information means final result what we get. So input we can get, we can take through input device like keyboard, mouse, like pointing device to open any screen, or right click anything, any app. And processing, like we can do addition, subtraction, anything. So we require for that that unit called as arithmetical logical unit, and then we get the result in the form of information in output device, like on the monitor screen will get itself. So whatever we get, the result on output is called soft copy, and whatever output we get on printer, that is called hard copy. So again we'll see the definition in small if we want to understand. If so, simple thing, that is what we enter, that is electronic device, is that device which converts the data into information. So data can be anything, raw data, it can be text, numbers, randomly arranged data, but when we organize it, interpret it, machine interprets it, it's organized to make it understandable regarding what it is. So final result is called information. So this is a typical computer. So computer is nothing but all these devices: monitor, then CPU, printer, hard disk, okay, for storing, then memory we have, then mouse, keyboard, okay, CPU, that is inside, and then this is a typical flow chart of computer, that is flow of information. So hope you understood. Subscribe to my channel to get more updates. Thank you.